Hi everybody, thank you for clicking on the video to watch it. So today is Friday, so we've been 5 days into distance learning, so I'm going to go through some things that we have learned together, some things I learned, some things that we can fix to move forward for next week, so please watch this video, it's going to help you out a bunch. So to start, we're just going to start with one thing that I've added to the top of our course page, okay, is this part right here. If you have not read it, you need to read it. And I'm going to read it to you. Okay, so how to access all of the information for distance learning. Make sure you have done all of step 1 before asking a question. So what's step 1, you ask? Here we go. Step 1, scroll to the bottom of the materials page, which is this. We are on the materials page. And click on read through and watch all videos for every day of class. Distance learning with the date is how they're going to be titled. They are at the bottom of this page. You just need to scroll. Once you get there, to whichever folder you're clicking on, read the entire page. So don't just read the task, don't just read where the assignment is. You're going to read the entire page so that you get everything out of that folder that we wanted you to get. And after you've read the entire page, you're going to watch all of the teacher's videos. So if I have a video, if there's a workout video, if another teacher has a video, you are going to watch all of those videos. So you're going to do this because if you're only completing the work in this class by going to the gradebook and clicking on assignments, it's going to be very hard to be successful. So if this has been your method of how to complete things in this class, I understand why some of you are confused. So we're going to take a minute and go through this. So scroll to the bottom of the page. Oh, look, there we are. Distance learning. If you need to read Mondays, go to Mondays. Tuesdays, go to Tuesdays. Wednesday, Thursday. Pretty easy. So we're just going to go look at Mondays because we did have a lot of questions for this one. So we had a lot of questions about people not being able to find the Google Forms survey. So if you were to read task 1 and then task 2 and then task 3 and then task 4, you would see that you were to fill out this Google Forms survey. So if you put your mouse over it, it lights up. So that's a hyperlink. As soon as you click on that, it will take you to the survey. So for those of you who just went and found this thing because it was an assignment and you clicked on it and you were confused because there was no survey for you to fill out, I understand because that's not the assignment. So if you were to go through the tasks again, you would realize that this is the assignment here. So everything you're going to need to do and everything you're going to need to know how to do is going to be on this page. The instructions will not be in the gradebook. So if you just continue to click on the gradebook, you are going to continue to be very confused. And since you guys are third hour, it is very important that the daily check-in is your priority. Okay, so the daily check-ins you guys know are at the bottom of the page, and those get cut off at 1 o'clock. So if you have not filled in that daily check-in by 1 o'clock, you will be counted absent. So for today, you're watching my video, so thank you for doing that. I've noticed that some of the thumbnails don't work for students, so I'll be adding all of the YouTube links next to that. So if you try the thumbnail doesn't work, take my link, paste it in, it still doesn't work, then let me know and I'll try to send you something else. Sending the links and emails have worked so far, so if you need another way to watch it, please let me know if it is not working for you. I know Schoology has been up and down, so please let me know. So task 2 for today. Read information explaining Tabata workouts. So you are actually going to have to read this information today. You're going to have to learn this information today in order to understand what you are asked to do for today. So a Tabata workout, very briefly, has 8 exercises. Each exercise is 20 seconds, 10 seconds rest in between those exercises. 2 minutes rest at the end of all 8 exercises, and that's 1 round. Today you're going to do 3 rounds. So task 3 asks you to create and complete your own Tabata workout and upload into Schoology. So create and complete your own workout. So if you just create this workout and then you turn it in and you do this about 5 to 10 minutes after this class has been published, do you think that you did the workout? Probably not. And do I know you didn't do the workout? Yes, I do. Okay, so looking through here, look through all 20 exercises. There are examples of all of them. You get to pick which 8 you want to do today. So you're going to go to the Build Your Own Tabata PDF right here at the bottom. You're going to fill it out. There's more instructions on that PDF. Make sure you're typing your answers in there. Okay, and then you're going to choose the 8 exercises you want to complete. Then you're going to complete 3 sets for 2-minute rests in between each set. After you are done doing that and filling out your worksheet, you're going to turn it in to the Build Your Own Tabata assignment. And then hopefully before or as soon as you get on your computer in the morning, you're going to do the daily check-in right here. Okay, so also remember, those of you who still have absences, we're making those up through the makeup folder. So if you do not know that a makeup folder exists, I'm going to suggest that you go back and watch my videos from previous days in the week where it was explained. So you're going to do the makeup assignments, and you're going to email those to me when you are done so I can get those put in there by the end of the quarter. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but try to read through these folders. We've tried to put a lot of information in the easiest way possible for you guys, so that is all there, and you guys can get in, get your workout, and get your daily points for the day. So let me know if you guys need anything.